Are there questions for Gary?
Yeah, I think people asking questions along the way. Oh, he's one.
How many other, what other things can I do that is not expanding that still gives me such a York inequality?
I think you know the answer.
Not particularly.
You just need to match. You need to match the norm on your Banach space with the dynamics of the map. So you can do maps that where the expansivity approaches 1. You can do uniformly hyperbolic. You can probably do specific cases of. You can do specific cases of hyperbolic where the derivatives approach 1. I mean, there are other experts in the room. Feel free to chime in and add particular situations.
Oh, some partially hyperbolic cases. Some specific.
Or some partially, yeah, some specific partially, yeah. I guess this is what I mean by the approaching 1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
More questions for Gary? Well, it's not. Let's then Gary again.